Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and we are here. This has been a long time coming. We bought this trailer without this stuff, all this stuff, and this right there about 2 or 3 years ago. So we've been waiting for this for 2 or 3 years, and I had no way of pulling it. I had nothing that would pull this heavy of a trailer with this much stuff on it, like that big 525-gallon tank and a 100-gallon bleach tank and all the equipment. So once I got that, which is a 350 with a Cummins high output diesel engine, we were ready to do this. So this will be our new trailer build, and we sent it to a fabricator to get these set up. These are for reels. Both these are for reels. This will be for a large cabinet that can open like this. That is for ladders, or a ladder. And then this is for another, a smaller box. It'll be a chemical box. We were able to get this for like $500 or $300. I don't know. We bought this a long time ago, a couple of years ago. It was somebody had it that did pest control. They didn't need it, so they sold it on Facebook. So we went about an hour away and grabbed that. A lot of this stuff we've had for a while, like these chemical tanks, the bleach tank we've had for a long time, the reels we've had for a long time. What we would do is whenever we found something and we had a little money, we'd buy it, because we knew we'd need it eventually, even though it's been sitting for a couple of years. Some of it's been sitting for a year, some of it's been sitting for 2, some of it's been sitting for 3. It's all putting together now. So this went to the fabricator and got welded. And then it started raining. It's like, go figure. So today it's been raining a little bit. This has been covered with this tarp for the last week and trying to keep it dry. So what we're going to be doing tomorrow, because it's not going to be raining, is we're going to be putting a Rhino liner on the decking to protect it, and on all the railing and all the fresh steel and things like that. What I did today to prep it is wipe it down with xylene and mineral spirits, and then we used some Rust-Oleum, and any place there was rust, any place, sanded and did a quick coat of Rust-Oleum on it, just to protect it, so that way this Rhino liner, or Raptor liner, where essentially this Raptor liner will go on top of this. So this is our goal for tomorrow, is get this done. It'll take about 24 to 48 hours from the way they said. 72 is for full cure, and then we can start putting this puppy together. So this will be very, very, very soon. And we have taken this out one time with this and the new pressure washer. Did a temporary setup just to play with it and test it. But the next time it's going to be full setup with everything we need and everything we want on it, and get to rolling. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing. Stay tuned.